to my channel. Today I will be showing you this diaper bag. The name of it came in a dust bag, is I guess it's Dubz Mommaz Poppaz, maybe. I found it on Amazon for $75, and it is pretty similar to the Kikilu diaper bag, so that's why I ordered, just to see what's the difference, because pretty much the Chinese versions that you find in Amazon, even though they are cheaper, there's something different with the reality that is the Kikilu that came out with this design, or at least that's what I believe. So the Kikilu is around $159. They have them on sale. Some colors, I believe is the cream color, is $129. And then there's some that, like, let's say if this is scratch, or if there's like a tiny scratch on the leather, they sell them for around $99. So I believe those are better quality than this one, and I'll show you why. This bag, pretty much the size is the same thing. It comes with a messenger strap that is vegan leather as well, and then the backpack straps, it's vegan leather as well, not like the seat belt kind of material that the Kikilu has. It does have a back pocket right here. It has two pockets on the sides, and then a zipper and a pocket right here on the front. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I have inside and how I pack this bag. Usually I use my backpack strap, so I'm gonna remove the messenger strap, but it is an option in case you like to use your bag like this. Right here in the front, I like to keep, on the zipper part, I like to keep my wallet and a chapstick. In this pocket, I usually put my car keys and my phone. On the side here, I have my Baby Organics foam hand sanitizer and my passy pot. I usually just put 2 pacifiers right before I leave the house. In the back, I have these backpack straps are not removable, they're there. So I usually just keep, this is from Adena and Ice, it's like a burp beep, and I like have it handy in case he spits up or I have to clean him. I use that. And then on the other side, I have a bottle of water just for me, and this is how the inside looks. So it has the 3 pockets right here. I don't have anything on this one, and then 2 pockets in the front, and there's nothing on the sides. I have a blanket. I have a large set with random stuff that I normally need, like a change of clothes in case he gets dirty because he have a blowout. So I have pants and a onesie. I have my wet bag to put the dirty clothes in there. I have my med kit with random stuff like band-aids and alcohol wipes and stuff like that. I have 1 extra diaper and a pack of 10 Honest Company wipes, and that's all I have in here. Then on this side, I have a medium set on Donutella Sweet Shop with some of his favorite theaters. So this banana, a camera, a little car that he likes to play with and it keeps him entertained for a long time, and then these snacks that is just like some puffs. I think they're Gerber. This large set fits in that pocket. I have my diaper essentials here. I have 3 size 5 diapers, a changing pad, some Desitin, gloves, some trash bags, and then a little towel to cover him because I have a boy. I have here my wipe pouch with Honest Company wipes, and those are the 2 pockets I'm talking about right there. And then there's 3 pockets right here, and I have these. It's from Make Kids, and I usually just put some cookies for me, and these Baby Mom is like a theater for my baby, theater snack. And then right here I have his food. So the Happy Baby banana, sweet potatoes, and papaya. It sounds good. A spoon and a bib. Okay, and something I forgot to pack was my wipes, my extra wipes. I have wet ones in this mini wipe pouch, and then these man pacifier wipes just to clean his toys. And I usually keep them in this extra pocket right here. It is smaller, I don't know why, than this one, but I just fold this like that, and I put them right there. And that's all I have in this diaper bag, but it does have a lot of room, so you can add much more. What I don't like about this diaper bag is the interior. It's like a cheap material. I don't know if it's polyester maybe. I'm not sure what it is because it doesn't say on their website what's the inside made of. I know this is vegan leather. I have no idea what the inside is. But then the Kikiloo and the fun designs, the inside is the same material as the outside, and that's why I like them so much. But I mean, if you want to save $25, I will leave the link down below. I do recommend the Kikiloo, not this one, but it's up to you. Let me know if you like this diaper bag. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!